MarketSphere has been a great partner to Kendall on all fronts. I think they've given us great guidance in terms of how to look at our business. We have established a business intelligence competency center because of some of the guidance that we got from MarketSphere. But to be perfectly honest, we wouldn't be where we are without the technical expertise that MarketSphere has brought to the table. There were a number of cases, since we were early adopters of project analytics, there were still some kinks to be worked out by Oracle. MarketSphere, on every occasion, got to the root cause of what the problem was with the underlying code base and was able to provide the fixes back to Oracle much faster than they would have achieved on their own because of the great deal of analysis that had been done and the great knowledge that MarketSphere brought to the table to facilitate the right dialogue with Oracle. In some cases, Oracle might have had a different idea on how to deploy the solution, but the amount of analysis and intuition that MarketSphere was able to pass back to Oracle, I think, improved the partnership between Oracle and MarketSphere, improved the partnership between Kendall and Oracle, and certainly improved the partnership between Kendall and MarketSphere. So it was a three-way partnership from both a business and technical perspective.